Meaning of Igbo.
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 Igbo. Igbo is a term used to refer to both a people and a language indigenous to Nigeria. The Igbo people are predominantly found in the southeastern region of Nigeria, with a population of approximately 40 million worldwide. The Igbo language belongs to the Niger-Congo language family and is spoken by about 24 million people. The Igbo culture is renowned for its rich heritage, including masquerades, folklore, music, and dance. The Igbo are also known for their entrepreneurial spirit, with many successful businesspeople and professionals worldwide. Overall, Igbo culture is a vibrant and integral part of Nigeria's diverse cultural tapestry.